Oh, fuck. Don't hit my camera. Please don't hit my camera. All right, all right, all right. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, we are at a red light. Oh, Josh is bumping into me. You don't want to open those floodgates. Alrighty. Today, Captain Man. Back here behind me on the right. There he is, riding that BMW of his. Okay, what are we doing? First, we're going to go see Bob. I don't have anything for him, but we're going to go see Bob anyway. I'm kind of thirsty, and I'm really hungover. Thirst and hangover kind of go together. So, let's go get a little hydrated. Then, I'm going to tell you exactly where we're going for today's lunch spot. Yeah. Oh, the wife and kid are at Mod Pizza. Let's go pay a visit. Oh, jeez. What are you guys doing?
We're welcome to support. I don't know you.
Okay, well, we're off.
Okay, we're off.
Welcome. What's up? What do you got, Bob? Let me make this quick. I'm hungry. Ooh, there's a bottle cap. I may have left this bottle cap there. Nothing in the pot. Bob, you ain't got shit for me today. I'll give this back to you. How about under the cock? Under the cock. All right, thank you. Bob came up dry, you little bitch. Okay. Are these like little tiny bottles? Or am I just like hungover still? I can't tell. I think I'm hungover. Or maybe still drunk. Chili? I don't want to try that. How about we just get the show on the road and go get food?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Nothing today, sir.
Alright, no problem. Have a good one.
See ya. Alright, Josh. Let me tell you where we're going today.
Alright.
You like Asian food, right?
Mm-hmm.
Have you ever had low Asian food? Do you know where Laos is?
Nope.
Very good. Well, we're going to go eat some low Asian food.
Okay.
You know what's special about low Asian food? They eat with their hands. Are you going to eat with your hands today, Josh?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. I've been talking about this place for a long time. I just have to go back. I just have to get it off my mind, out of my head, and get it done and over with. Because this place isn't close, man. It's a ride. So I'm kind of hoping that when we get there, it really sucks and I never want to go back again. Because I'm afraid if it's as good as I remember, I might have to keep going back. Okay. False alarm, guys. We went and saw Bob. Shit. And one more time. If you guys ever have anything of value, just give it to the clerk behind the counter. Or tell them put it in a bag. Maybe even staple it shut. And I'll get it that way. I know a lot of you guys like to leave money and stuff for lunch. And I do appreciate it because I don't have any money these days. So, it all helps. Oh, you guys, man, I'm listening to a kick-ass song. It's by a band called Off With Their Heads. The song's called Nightlife. I don't know, man. It's a dark song, but it's good, man. In fact, all this guy's music is really, really good. Oh, look at this guy. Thank you, sir. Welcome back. All right, KraZkais. Some of you guys do remember that, I hope, from a previous video. I think I went there with my friend Kelly and Travis from Every Single Sunday. We used to ride dirt bikes together and then sometimes street bikes. I mean, it has to have been 4 years ago that I went to this spot. And I promise you, there isn't a week that goes by that I don't crave this place. So, kind of a special treat. But you know what I do? And I do this all the time and it's really frustrating. I build something up so high, I put it on such a pedestal, and then when it happens, it's just never as good as I had anticipated or remember. Because at this very moment, I'm thinking this place is like a 12 out of 10. So we'll see. We'll see. Out of my way, Prius, you little bitch. He likes the view. We made it. I'm excited. Josh-a-roo! Yeah, buddy. Dude, we made it. It's like an hour drive. It's pretty good, though. Let's see. KraZkais. I had already pre-ranked it. I called this place, I think, a 12 out of 10. Was it? Let me think. Actually, dude, I'm giving that a 10, dude. All right. So we got the beef dip. We got the chicken thigh. We got the sticky rice. We got the white rice. We got a Diet Coke. We got a water. And we got the beef jerky.
Salads.
And the salads. Came with salads. Everything on the table, about 40 bucks. 40 bucks even. Now, let's ask the question everybody's been wondering. Was it worth an hour drive to come here and eat this?
Nope.
It was not. You know, you're right. I don't know that I will ever make this journey again specific for this, but if I was in the vicinity and I was with somebody and they're like, dude, I'm hungry, dude, I might swing through. Anyway, if you guys are in the area, I strongly advise just check it out. All right, well, I don't know that I'm going to end this video quite yet. I might bring people along for the ride tonight. What are we going to do? Probably we're going to go drinking. We're going to eat food more.
We're going to drink more.
Drink more?
Yeah. And then eat more.
And then eat more?
And then guess what? We're going to drink more again.
Yeah, and then we're going to watch some bands, I'm assuming, and I don't even know where we're going to go. Who's playing tonight?
Oh, Vintage Vinyl.
Vintage Vinyl at 6?
At 6:30.
Forgot about that. Let's go check out Vintage Vinyl.
Let's do it.
Again, you know, this might be the end of the riding portion, but we're going to bring you along with us for the night's charades.
Gonna get crazy.
Where are we going?
Alza. Watch Vintage Vinyl.
Vintage Vinyl. Where are we going now?
Rush Bar and Grill.
To the Rush Bar and Grill.
Where the tacos are.
The Rush Bar was its name.